Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You're ready to begin. Sign into the Google account you'll use and open Business Profile Manager. Once there, find or create your listing and confirm the name, address, phone, NAP, match official records. Make sure the address is deliverable, no P.O. boxes, because delivery method depends on it. Next, choose a verification option presented: postcard, phone, email, or instant if available. Start the verification request, now so Google can mail or send the code without delay. Now continue by selecting the verification method Google offers for your listing. Choose instant verification if your account and domain already match Google's records. Otherwise, request a postcard or use phone/email if shown. Before you submit, edit critical profile fields, hours, primary category, website, and photos, so the live listing is accurate when verified. Once the postcard is requested, make sure the recipient name and address are precise. If phone or email is used, finish by entering the verification code Google sent into Business Profile Manager. Do this within the time window so the listing goes live. Once verified, optimize your profile with services, images, accurate hours, and regular posts so local search picks you up. If something goes wrong, like no postcard arriving, request a replacement, confirm the formatted address and recipient name, and allow 2 weeks before escalating. If repeated failures occur, use the support options in your profile to request manual or video verification.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.